this is another thing why coaches struggle, and why I always say, if you coach somebody for free, they're not likely to get results, right? Because one, they don't have skin in the game, but two, you haven't done the work necessary to even coach them on the value of coaching, right? Sales is coaching and coaching is sales. You have to sell coaching to them. And just because somebody says, okay, I'm willing to sign up with you, doesn't mean that the sales process stops. You still have to continue to sell them on why they need to take this action that you want them to take, right? Why they need to adopt your mindset. This is a big one. I find a lot of coaches get really frustrated where they have clients come in who say, okay, I want you to help me with this thing, but then they want to argue with the coach about the best process to do this. Well, I'm used to doing XYZ, this way, and are you sure I should really do this? Well, I don't know that I want to do that. Well, here's the thing. Again, if you're a coach, you are helping people get out of their comfort zone. But guess what? Human nature doesn't want to get out of their comfort zone. So you better be good at sales, because even after that person has paid you, you're still going to have to sell to them why they need to take an action that's going to be uncomfortable for them to take, an action that might, separate them from their family and their friends. What will people think of me? Well, what happens if I become successful? That's a real thing too in the coaching industry, fear of success. So if you can't help your clients navigate all of that, you're going to have problems. And it's not just a coaching methodology, ultimately is sales, because it's persuasion and helping people do things that ultimately are in their best interest. So there's no such thing as a good coach that's bad at sales, because all coaching essentially is sales. It's just selling people on their highest potential. But if you yourself are pricing yourself so low that you don't even reach your highest financial potential, what does that say about the value of your coaching and really your ability to get people to the next level?